Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos when we post. Like this video, trust me, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. You don't pay for anything. If anyone ever asks you for payment on this channel, forget the scammers in the comment sections, the spammers that are always spamming us with their nonsense. But if anyone ever asks you to pay for anything on this channel, trust me, you're about to get scammed. It's not me. If you are looking for forex robots, forex indicators, systems and stuff like that, there are two links in the description box below. You can simply go to the blogs and download the stuff for free. You don't need to pay anybody. Don't be lazy. Some people just come here and request things that are already on the blogs. Just go through the blogs. There are pages and pages of content on those two blogs. If you still cannot find what you're looking for, then you can always come back and make a request, and I'll try my best to look for what you will be looking for. So we are continuing with sniper entries. Sniping. Today I sniped Euro USD. That was some time before London session open, as you can see. So here you're actually watching the mobile version where I'm monitoring the trades on mobile. But actually I'm using the system that I showed you yesterday, that I've showed you I think last week. The links to those videos are in the description box below. Then you can go there and watch those videos, how I use the system, the settings, and also you'll see in those videos, the description boxes of those videos is links to the blogs where you can actually download the system. What's important for me in that system is basically the major dawn perfect zones indicator, which I've tweaked to show me possible zones of interest. That's what's important for me there. The other things you can actually do without, or you can use the indicator to actually build your own system. From there, then you can add your own indicator that have been working for you, but the indicator will basically show you zones of interest. So that's how I've been managing to take these sniper entries. I just decided, let me make some of these videos just to show people that I do actually use some of the things that I share on the blogs. Some people think I just share things that I never use. Of course, I have strategies where I don't even need indicators, but sometimes I just also use the indicators that I share. So I'm not just sharing you random things that I don't personally use. You also notice that I stacked trades. I don't advise this unless your account can handle it and if you are happy to lose money. Again, I've stacked a lot of trades. I've hidden the sizes of the trades because I noticed that sometimes people get tempted to do the same things and people blow their accounts. Sometimes I'm aggressive, sometimes I know when not to be aggressive. Then when it comes to stop losses, I always said in previous videos I use mental stop losses. Of course there are points where I will use stop losses, but I've always said I use mental stop losses. Even if I'm walking away from the charts, I basically actually have an alert app on my phone. I think it will appear whilst this video is running to show me, to tell me if a pair has reached a level of interest. Then I can quickly go to the charts and see if I can close the trades or if I can leave the trades running. So use stop losses when you're trading, use take profits when you're trading. But anyway, like the video, leave a comment in the comment section. Everything is shared in the description box below. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.